Guys, I'm gonna give you the sauce right now. So be with me, and I'm gonna show you that if I would have to start marketing myself, and if I would have to start over again, so how I would start my marketing and aka getting my AI clients. So yeah, that's the thing, and I'm gonna tell you one amazing thing that you actually might not be thinking, and that's the only reason that you are not getting your clients. Because the thing is that the world is blowing with AI. Everyone wants AI to develop or get into their business, but the thing is that people are not adoptive and people don't know they are having FOMO, and everywhere everyone is just talking about it, and it is actually creating a FOMO. And that's a very good thing as well and a bad thing as well. Good thing just because that hype, that person is start thinking about AI, and they are everyone is almost kind of thinking like we need to implement AI in their business, in our business and all, but they don't have enough understanding of AI, that how they can use it. So that's where your work comes up, because you as an person who is providing as a freelancing services or an agency services or whatever of AI, whatever it could be a content AI services, or it could be a voice agent services, it could be any whatever using AI services or AI marketing services. It does not matter. The only thing matters is that, let's say if you are having a Facebook group, you are into a Facebook group. So let me open up my Facebook. Let me show you that what I mean. So in that, if you go to groups, so if you are going to search here, like if I have to add here some of the groups, so what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna put here some of the links. Like, let's say I'm working on a niche which is real estate, okay, and okay, and let's say real estate, or maybe we can use restaurants. Okay, restaurants, this spelling might be wrong. Let me cross check it. Yeah, this one is the right one. Okay, so you need to put it restaurants in maybe a space in US, let's say Miami. Okay, so you search that, and you are gonna get a lot of groups of that. You need to pick here, filter groups. Okay, you are gonna get a different type of groups of this specific category. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to just join some of the great groups which are already active. So you can see, like, this is 2.6 members, but there are no posts. Almost it is having 90 posts, and you can just join and you can just test it out. I mean, which one is working and all. You need to join 4 or 5 or different type of 4, 5, 6 groups. Okay, and just join there. Okay, just join group, visit group, and there are a lot of people who are engaging. You can see, I mean, there are not a lot of engagements, but yeah, there are engagement. People are just watching these things, and you usually eventually going to get some of the visibility over there. And what you need to do is you need to don't sell. Okay, everyone is just selling, you can see. Okay, everyone is just selling. And there is this fact that you can just keep in mind, like every single time in any market, if you are selling something and if you are directly selling, then only you are targeting only 3% of the people. Okay, but a lot of the people might need AI services, not right now. If you are just selling right now, then your post is going to directly point to those people, or directly just resonate with those people who are just thinking about implementing AI, and that in the market complete is going to be 3% only. And from that as well, it is going to drop, because there are multiple reasons that you are not going to, I mean, reach out to them in a perfect way. I mean, in the sense, like the perfect way that they might be getting approached, and they are going to which is going to cover up their concerns and all, and they eventually going to close them. So as an initial response, you are not going to get at best in that. So that is why you need to play a number game. You don't need to, I mean, play in this small market which is only just targeting 3%. Instead, what you need to do is you need to be in the game, and you need to take your charge, and you need to start giving value. You don't need to directly pitch them. You need to create a value post. Okay, and what a value post looks like is that you need to understand what they are going through in their mind about their AI and all. Okay, all these people are actually creating some kind of so first of all, think about it, what your services are going to be, and to which niche you can just give or provide them value in the sense that is going to help them grow their business. That's it. Okay, or maybe be productive, saving time, or saving cost, or anything. Okay, these can be values, and it should be directly involved, or that outcome should be directly involved in your services. It should not like I provide voice AI services, or I just provide AI automation posts. No one is going to get anything after just posting it out. The idea is that you need to provide them value, and that value you need to create. Maybe video, loom video. You can just create a loom video, and you can just talk about, like, I mean, if I so this is a blank page. So if I am going to showcase you this blank page, and here what I am trying to do is, this is the Claude Code, and I usually use Claude Code here. Okay, so that we can do whatever in it. Okay, I have already created one env file. Here I have added one my Gemini API. so it is containing the API for using Nano Banana directly. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is that, so here what I'm trying to do is I am going to reach out or create some amazing value driven post for restaurant agents, restaurant peoples in Miami. I have joined 4 5 groups in Miami restaurants, and I'm gonna create value driven post, not directly selling, so that they can just engage on that post, and whatever people who are going to get intrigued, or I will also maybe provide some kind of lead magnet in the form of like, comment this word, I'm gonna send you in your DMs, whatever, something like that, and whoever is going to engage with my post, I'm gonna reach out to them on their DM and just see that what value I can provide to them, and that's it. And that's the only thing which I have the idea. So you need to research it out and help me out to create not only the post and all, the idea overall, which is going to be value driven. I am providing AI content generation services, which is going to drive them more people onto their restaurants, and drive more basically bookings and all. So that is what I am going to provide them, and this is going to be straightforward. But anyhow, the post should be designed so that they can get some value out of it, and that also you need to create post images as well. You need to use your best research and best understanding of the market and all, and you need to use my .env file where there is an API of Google Gemini, where you can use the Nano Banana Pro model, which is the best for image generation, whatever you want, and it should not be fuzzy. So that is why make sure that you use the latest, the best model only, and you should output me different type of post for 7 days, and yeah, that is what I'm going to put. Okay, so that's it. So you understood the homework. That is what you need to put into that Claude, and Claude is so amazing at doing this. I'm going to show you. Till that, I am going to give you the sauce, that the idea, the mindset, and we are going to see the output and all. Okay, so you need to do this thing. You need to create all those posts and all, and with the Claude and all. You don't have to do on your own. And after the post as well, what you can do is you need to use your understanding of the AI market and the restaurant market, and just stick to that niche. Just talk in their language, and just get them intrigued. Okay, and then in the DM only, then you need to just converse, and then just talk about their pain points and all, and just see that which one fits best, and provide them the best sauce. Provide them 7 days free trial, and provide them some free services. Okay, and for that you need to just take some amount at first, and then you are going to just provide them 7 days free trial. If they don't want to continue, you can just refund them, and if they want to continue, you can just keep them out. And that's what you need to do. Maybe in the first you can just, maybe without even money as well, you can just start doing it as well. And that's what you need to do. You need to start getting your first client. You don't have to just stick to this idea that I am not going to provide my services for free, because that is the only thing which is actually stopping you. You need to play a bigger game, and the bigger game is that only you can provide something which you have. If you have something, okay. If you don't have something, if you showcase yourself as a broke, then no one is gonna starting to pay. And this is for sure. Whatever you try hard and all, at the first, if you are being in that poor mindset and all, it's kind of reflecting as a kind of desperation, and that is the only reason that you are not getting your client. After you get your client and all, even if you are not going to get, even if you are not getting client, and those 7 days you provide, don't even provide that services, those 7 days are going to go away. Okay, so it is better to actually be with someone, and in the real use case, just learn from them, and then maybe if it doesn't work, you are going to get something out of that relation, that this does not works. And likewise, if you eliminate the bad possibilities, eventually it cannot be possible that you don't get to a point where you don't even close even a single person. Okay, here a lot I am actually creating, or posting out my post, and you can see a lot of people are just engaging to me in this, and you can see my DMs are filled up. People are just messaging me a lot, and I am keep answering them and all, whatever. And that's what you need to do. People will engage with you. Just engage, just normal, have some conversation, and just be helpful. Okay, and you are going to get a flood of clients. Okay, and after you get your first 5 clients, and let's say you close them on $1,000, you have made $5,000. Can you imagine? And that's what you need to do, and that's what you just need to expand from. Okay, now you can hire as well. You can do it in volume and or whatever, and that's fucking this game is. So don't overcomplicate it, and let's just see that what is the output. Okay, it is actually started creating as well. Okay, it actually made a content strategy. We can just see as well. This is the post caption they have made. Okay, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, for Friday. That's the thing, man. And you need to use only AI only. If it doesn't work, you need to just tweak your strategy using AI only. And that's what the doers are doing. Okay, use AI in your favor, man, and it is going to do all its best. Okay, it is going to create images, it is going to generate whatever. Okay, and I'm going to show you after it generates the images. And what the fuck you are doing, man? You need to just get your hands dirty into the game. Only the thing is that your actions just lacks. Okay, and your audacity in your action is going to give you the success, not the thing that you are thinking in your mind, or not the learning, getting the trap into the learning zone only. Okay, you are just watching different tutorials, and that is not going to get you anywhere. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to learn more about this thing or these kind of sauce, I really encourage you 10x with AI. I have launched this community and I am creating this only. I mean, it's been new. Okay, and I can really bet you that if you are going to join this, I am going to give you some real crazy sauce. You can directly get connected with me, but only remaining 6 people are going to get directly connected with me. You are going to get my number. You are also going to get consultation directly from me, and after that, that consultation is not there, only a group meetings are there, but that is also too going to be very much valuable and all. And it is right now at a very affordable price, man. And whatever, I'm not gonna convince you anymore. If you think that if it is going to be valuable, you can just take your chance, and there is this link in the description. And that's what I just wanted to tell you. Okay, I have whatever I'm doing, I'm just showing you whatever the strategies I am doing. I am just talking to you, and it is doing all its work. It already gave me one of this kind of output. It did some kind of issue in it, and I can just talk to it as well. Okay, hey, the output is not, or you can just pick this. Hey, the output is not that much great, can you fix it up? And not only that, these are the images. You can create videos from it, you can create platforms from it, whatever you want. Okay, that's the thing. You can see I am not doing anything, man. It's already doing all its work. And do you think that people are not gonna engage on these kind of shots? Cannot possible. Okay, thank you so much. And that's what the sauce I wanted to give you, I've already given you, and now it's your call. And man, it's best of luck for whatever you do, and you are definitely gonna get your first client as soon as possible. You are going to start working on it. And just be curious, and wait for my next videos and all. I'm going to put some really crazy sauce in it, and just think about it. If you really wanted, if you are really serious, that you can just join the community. Thank you so much.